Hello everyone, welcome back to RoyalCourses channel. Today I will show you how to create a simple calculator which can perform basic arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication or division depending upon the user input. Now, first of all, we are defining functions for addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division of two numbers. In next step, we are using print function. So we are making a simple menu for later to choose which operation we will use. Next, take input from the user which operation you want to use. So user choose the desired operation. Option 1, 2, 3 or 4 are valid. Next, you take input from the user for any number you want. Next, using functions add, subtract, multiply and divide, evaluate respective operations. So any other number except 1, 2, 3 or 4 are invalid and it will print invalid input and you will be able to choose again. Now you can see some of examples for all of operations. So I hope this was useful for you. Thank you for watching and bye.